So you guys like fried chicken? You like that fried chicken, huh?
Stupid Coaltrain.
Fighting over that fried chicken. Mm-mm-mm. They won't share? Get in there. Well, get in there, Prissy. Get you some. Must be the salt.
They said they wanted speed. They said they wanted power. They said they wanted Beyonce on a ham sandwich. Well, 2.5 out of 3 ain't too dang shabby. Jukebox Plus. Rip faster. Burn better. Super tag. It's just way better. On a ham sandwich. Get Plus now.
Fried chicken is good.
Ham sandwich.